Magkano ang premium ng K50 plan? Kung gusto mong mas mataas na plan pero still affordable, ito ang details ng Kaiser K50 plan. Perfect ito para sa edad 10 to 40 years old kasi kapag 41 to 60 years old ka na, hindi ka na qualified sa K50 plan. Kaya kung pasok ka pa sa age bracket, grab mo na habang mababa ang premium. Premium breakdown for K50 plan, ang monthly premium nito is 2,941 pesos. Ang quarterly premium nito is 8,529 pesos every 3 months ito. Semi-annual naman, which is every 6 months, 15,882 pesos. At kapag annual ang mode of payment mo, 29,411 pesos. At kung mag-spot cash ka or one time, babayaran mo na yung buong 7 years. That's 188,100 pesos. So one time and mas malaki yung discount. Take note, may 500 pesos policy fee for 7 years regardless of your mode of payment. At kapag nag-spot cash payment ka, babayaran mo na yung buong 7 years na policy fee which is equivalent to 3,500 pesos. Pero ito yung lagi mong tatandaan. Ang Kaiser 3-in-1 Long-Term Healthcare or Savings Program ay hindi ordinary savings or investment na pwede mong i-withdraw anytime. Ito yung long-term healthcare mo during your senior years. Meron kang life insurance for 20 years. Investment na lumalaki over time kapag hindi mo nagagamit yung healthcare mo. Kasi ang structure niya ay 7 years to pay and 13 years waiting period kaya 20th year ang maturity. So total mo lang yung 7 plus 13 kaya siya 20 years. Kung consistent ka at hindi mo gagamitin ang annual benefit limit mo during 7 years, mas malaki ang potential maturity value mo. Mas malaki yung magiging healthcare fund mo pagdating ng araw. Kung kaya mo ang K50 plan ngayon, malaking advantage yun. Mas mataas na plan, mas mataas ang maturity fund, mas secured na healthcare at retirement. Start now habang mababa pa ang premium mo na pwede sa age mo ngayon. If you want to know more, comment #Kaiser below para masend ko yung video explanation sa inbox mo. Retire early, live free, kayang-kaya basta may tamang gabay.